Within the sound of silence, in restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touch the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people moving, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools say that you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I need you. Hear my words and I need you. But my words like silent rage of fear, echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And time flashed out its warning, and the words that it was falling. In the signs and the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people leaving,